Effective tactical operations depend heavily on meticulous planning and thorough operational readiness. This module trains personnel on the systematic process of planning tactical missions, preparing resources, and ensuring all team members and equipment are ready to execute operations successfully and safely. Overview of tactical planning. Definition. Tactical planning is the development of detailed steps and resource allocation to achieve specific operational goals within a mission's framework. Importance of tactical planning. Anticipates challenges and threats. Coordinates team roles and responsibilities. Optimizes resource use. Minimizes risks and uncertainties. Enhances mission success rates. Key elements of tactical planning. Element. Description. Mission analysis. Understanding the objectives, environment, and constraints. Intelligence gathering. Collecting and analyzing information about the threat and terrain. Resource allocation. Assigning personnel, equipment, and supplies. Contingency planning. Preparing alternative plans in case of unexpected events. Risk assessment. Identifying potential risks and mitigation measures. Communication planning. Establishing clear communication channels and protocols. Steps in tactical planning. 1. Mission receipt and understanding. Receive clear, concise orders. Identify mission goals, timelines, and expected outcomes. 2. Intelligence and reconnaissance. Gather latest intelligence reports. Perform reconnaissance to validate information. 3. Course of action, COA, development. Develop multiple plans or strategies. Evaluate feasibility, risks, and advantages. 4. Plan selection and approval. Select the most effective KOA. Obtain necessary approvals from the command. 5. Detailed planning. Break down plan into tasks and subtasks. Assign responsibilities and resources. 6. Briefing and coordination. Conduct team briefings. Ensure all members understand their roles. Operational readiness defined. Operational readiness is the state of being fully prepared to conduct a mission, including personnel readiness, equipment status, and logistics. Components. Personnel readiness, training, physical fitness, mental preparedness, equipment readiness, functionality, maintenance, and availability, logistics readiness, supplies, transportation, medical support. Checklist for operational readiness. Task. Details. Personnel availability. Confirm all team members are fit and available. Equipment inspection. Check weapons, communication devices, vehicles. Supply status. Ensure ammunition, food, water, medical kits stocked. Communication setup. Test radios, backup communication methods, medical preparedness. Confirm first aid kits and medical personnel readiness. Transportation readiness. Confirm transport vehicles and routes. Security measures. Establish perimeter security and emergency exits. Planning tools and methods. Operational order, OPORD. A standardized format to communicate plans. Risk matrix. Visual tool to prioritize risks. Gantt chart. Timelines. Track tasks and schedules. Briefing templates. Structured formats for mission briefings. Simulations and war games. Practice scenarios for plan validation. Team roles in planning and readiness. Role. Responsibilities. Commander. Oversees planning, approves plans, makes decisions. Intelligence officer. Gathers and analyzes information. Operations officer. Coordinates tactical details and logistics. Logistics officer. Ensures supplies and equipment are ready. Communications officer. Manages communication systems and protocols. Medical officer. Prepares medical support and evacuation plans. Contingency and emergency planning. Prepare alternative strategies for Equipment failure, personnel casualty, unexpected enemy tactics, environmental hazards, weather terrain. Conduct what-if analyses to anticipate possible disruptions. Establish evacuation routes and emergency rendezvous points. Practical exercises. Scenario-based planning workshops. Groups develop plans for different missions, e.g., VIP protection, hostage rescue, convoy escort. Equipment readiness inspections. Hands-on checking of gear and vehicles. Communication drills. Testing communication protocols in simulated operations. Risk assessment exercises. Teams identify and prioritize risks for sample scenarios. Case study. Analyze a real-life operation where effective tactical planning and operational readiness determined the success or failure of the mission. Identify key lessons and best practices. This module equips you to understand the tactical planning process, develop comprehensive, realistic operational plans, ensure personnel and equipment are mission-ready, prepare contingencies for unforeseen events, coordinate and communicate effectively within teams, mastering tactical planning and operational readiness significantly, increases mission efficiency and safety. That is it for this module. I hope you enjoyed this module. See you in the next module.